Thinking about becoming an Uber driver in the UK? Let's break down if it's actually worth it in just 90 seconds. First, earnings. Realistically, your hourly rate fluctuates based on location, time of day, and demand. Aim to research rates in your local area, which you can see within the app. Factor in your expenses. Fuel is a major one, especially with rising prices. Track your mileage meticulously for tax deductions. Don't forget vehicle maintenance. Regular servicing, tire changes, and unexpected repairs eat into your profits. This needs to be taken seriously. Calculate insurance costs. You'll need specific hire and reward insurance, which is more expensive than standard car insurance. Understand taxes. As a self-employed driver, you're responsible for paying your own income tax and national insurance contributions. Keep accurate records of income and deductible expenses. Consider the flexibility versus stress. Uber offers flexible hours, but dealing with traffic, difficult passengers, and unpredictable income can be stressful. Weigh the pros and cons. The autonomy and potential for decent earnings during peak times can be appealing, but only if you're organized and prepared. Ultimately, whether driving for Uber is worth it depends on your personal circumstances, financial goals, and tolerance for risk. Do your research before committing.